Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, today, bit of a negative one. We're going to look at 10 things we hate about our split screens. Let's roll it. Righto. Number 1, these things. Absolutely useless. If it's raining, you might as well just stick your head out the window because you've got a better chance of seeing than using those. Number 2. You drive these things in the rain and you are going to get wet. They leak from here, they leak on the side windows here, the floor's covered in water. It's not happening at all. Number 3, what the hell is up with the steering on these things? I think I'm going straight. I think I'm in the middle of the road. Number 4. If you're over 5'6", forget about driving one of these cars because this is the view you get from the driver's seat. I think we're going in the right spot. I can't quite see. Number 5. Have you seen the mirrors and the rear vision mirror on this thing? Check that out. Good luck seeing anything behind you. Number 6. Try hopping in and out of one of these things without cold cocking your skull on that bit there. Happens all the time. Number 7. You got an early splitty with no door handles? Good luck trying to get this to shut the bloody door without... Oh, it didn't shut properly. God damn it. Try it again. That's it. Got it. Number 8. I think it got tuned last week, but now it's running like crap. What the hell's wrong with it? I can't seem to get it started. Ugh. Number 9. Good luck having clean concrete, because these things leak like a sieve. Oh, there's bloody oil leak again under there. I just fixed that. Ugh. Number 10. Is that rust? I think that could be rust. I just painted this last week. What the hell? Well, there you have it, guys. There's the 10 things we don't like about our split screens. Had a bit of fun making this one today. And yeah, thanks for all the new subscribers. And we will catch you in the next episode.